Good day, everyone. There will be a Board of Electrical Engineering interview for the PE aspirants here in Cebu, and I'm happy and grateful I am one of them. So I will share to you my presentations. Hopefully, this can help you as your reference when you are the one who take the interview. Here it is. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to my fellow PE aspirants, PE mentors, and to the Board of Electrical Engineering, Honorable Francis V. Mapili, and Honorable Jaime V. Mendoza. Good evening, sir. First of all, I am grateful and honored to be a part in this interview session. I thank to the Lord for this blessing and to the IIEE Cebu chapter for this great opportunity. I am Jess Steiner Avanzado Valero, or just call me Jess, 42 years of age, and I was born on December, just a day before Christmas in Liloan, Cebu. Married and practicing Roman Catholic. Currently, I am employed as Project Electrical Engineer in Fast Services Corporation located in Tayud, Consolacion, Cebu. My wife is Cecil Valero. She is a pharmacist and we got married last May 10, 2008. We've enjoyed 17 years together with our 4 children, 2 boys, John Tyner and Jess Benedict, and 2 girls, Therese and Philomena. And we are residing in Yate, Liloan, Cebu. Showing you the pictures of my family, celebrating the 50th wedding anniversary of my parents just this year. My father, Francisco, 76, a retired project administrator in Metafield, and my mother, Milia Risa, 77, a retired public high school teacher. My siblings are Giovanni, Rosel, Fanny, and Francis. Maria was deceased. Thanks to our parents, because of their hard work and dedication, all of us graduated from college in a different course and attending in a different universities. I started my educational journey at Sugod Central School in year 1996. I then attended my secondary at Bourbon National High School in year 2000. I earned my BS Electrical Engineering at Cebu Institute of Technology University in year 2005. One of the most unforgettable memories during my college days is when I was the first runner-up in 2003 IIEE Regional Quiz Show. Showing you my credentials, my college diploma, my PRC Certificate of Registration, and my updated PRC license. My social and civic involvement, I am an active member of IIEE Cebu chapter. I attended numerous events, seminars, and recently this year, I am one of the resource speaker for electrical construction management where I share my technical expertise to our fellow electrical practitioners. Aside from technical engineering, I am a member of Senvep Namco, a nursery cooperative for farming, where I already have my own Limoncito farm. And for my spiritual aspect, I am a member for Corpus for Christ since 2021. I started my work last 2005 as Quality Assurance Inspector in Metafield and assigned in Chunichi, Balamban, Cebu. Later, I was transferred to Visayan Electric Company in Banilad, Cebu City. I work on a day and study at night. After I passed the REE board exam last April 2006, I was transferred to Dash Engineering Philippines in Mandawi City, Cebu. I started as an electrical designer. Then the company gave an opportunity to me to work in our head office, Mitsui Engineering and Shipbuilding in Tokyo, Japan. I stayed there for 2 years until I got promoted to project lead engineer. I was employed in this company for 11 years. Last October 2019, I was assigned as a project electrical engineer, electrical designer, and involved in an electrical audit to all FAST warehouse in FAST Services Corporation located in Tayud, Consolacion, Cebu. The reasons why I want to become a PEE is to achieve my dream, a long-time dream, continuously seek improvement and share information, contribute to the implementation of safety standards since I am in the corporate world, and lastly, to boost my career opportunities and to inspire my fellow REEs to become PEE. My aspiration is to have a strong desire to contribute positively in this organization and to help guide my fellow PEE aspirants in their TER, and my commitment is to complete and submit my technical engineering report within the prescribed deadline. Here is the proposed title of my TER: Assessment Report on the Electrical System Design for 3 MVA, 23 kV 480 volts cold storage of Fast Services Corporation in Tayud, Consolacion, Cebu. Why I choose this title? It is because I was involved during the design and construction phase until we turned over it to the operation team. Fast Services Corporation is a warehouse logistics company specializing in warehouse and distribution. It is owned by the Chongbian Group of companies. Due to the increased demand of foods and products from the food company, Fast Services Corporation saw an opportunity to build the first cold storage here in Cebu. Construction began last November 1, 2019, and it was completed last June 30, 2021. Here is the single line diagram. Electricity came from Visayan Electric Company going to the 3 MVA transformer, protected by a 630 ampere trip vacuum circuit breaker. Then, feed by a 4000 amperes bus duct going to the main distribution board, protected by a 4000 ampere trip automatic transfer switch. Inside the main distribution board, there is a main breaker with a rating of 4000 ampere trip and the branch breakers for fire pump, capacitor, refer van, battery charger, 230 volts load, and the refrigeration. The AC generator used as a backup. The technical information. Inside the electrical room are 3-way transformer, 630 ampere trip VCB, 4000 ampere trip ATS, the step-down transformer, and the capacitor bank. Inside the MCC room are the MCC panels, including the VFD. And in another room for 3 MVA generator and fire pump. My objectives of this report is to evaluate the operational efficiency, especially in these 3 items: installation of renewable energy, solar PV, 2 units generator for redundancy, and the fire pump connection. And lastly, to present this assessment findings to Fast Services Corporation for future projects. My mentors: former Governor Brian A. Pasilan, Governor Erwin J. Salvador, and Engineer Lowell Ratilla. They are helping me in this report as well as in my overall professional development. Acknowledgement to Almighty God and to my supportive family, to the key IIEE personnel, Engineer Robert Mabulay, Engineer Edgar Bernardino, Engineer Raulito Balonado Jr., and the 3 mentors which I mentioned earlier. And to the Fast Services Corporation, my heads, Engineer Manuel C. Santiago, Engineer Noel F. Bernier. And to the IIEE Cebu chapter officers and my fellow PE aspirants. Special thanks to the Board of Electrical Engineering, Honorable Francis V. Mapili, and Honorable Jaime V. Mendoza. Thank you so much, sir, for listening, It is my pleasure to meet you. Once again, good evening.